Today I'm doing a chain stitch on this project. It is the branches for the willow tree. So I've got it started here, as you can see, and I just wanted to show you quick how to do it. I came out of this spot right here. I'm going to go in, and this is how you would start it down here. You pull up out of your wool and you go back in the same place that you started, that you just came out of, and then you go about a 1/4 inch up, which is because I'm doing small ones, and you just pull gently. And it makes your little loop, so then it looks like a chain. So again, I'm going to go in where I just came out. I'm going to go up about a 1/4 inch inside my loop and then pull gently. And just keep doing this until I get to the end. Now, I'm sorry, I keep hitting the phone with my finger. So if I was finished and I was at the end, I would just go here outside of my loop and come down right there and then knot it on the back. And that's how I would finish that. So hopefully that helps you if you haven't done a chain stitch before. You can see how easy it is. And just keep moving along. I'm using 6 strands of DMC. So I'm not splitting the thread. I'm just coming up inside my circle here and pulling it gently. And that shows you how the chain stitch is. Now I put this on with chalk because it's black wool, and then I just use a damp cloth and it'll wipe it right off. Hope that helps you.